2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.